What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and it's been a long time coming. We finally got new gear from Traktor, and first up on the radar is the Traktor Kontrol S4 MK3. Now, I've been waiting to see this thing, to get my hands on this, since I've been seeing all the other videos online, all the announcements that we've seen, and now we finally have it here in the lab for the full out review. But you know how we do here on this channel. First and foremost, we're going to do the unboxing and first impressions video. I'm going to keep this short and sweet. We're not going to say where it came from, what the MK1 and the MK2 was like. We're just going to take this bad boy out the box, see what we're looking at, and then just give you my first quickest impressions that we have. And then you guys make sure you subscribe. Stay tuned for the video review. So let's just hurry up and open this thing, because I can't wait. It's been a while. Traktor, it's been a while, Traktor. Where you been, Traktor? Where you been? All my life. All right. First up, we get an envelope. Of course, this is going to have your Traktor Pro 3 license in there. So we have the Traktor Pro license right in the box with the Traktor Kontrol S4 MK3. All right, now we have a black box in here. And inside the black box, what do we have? What do we have? We have your USB cable. We also have your power dongle, your power brick. And it has all of the different extensions or the different adapters you're going to need for all of the different countries where you may be in at that given time. All right. So here is the controller itself. It's definitely more solid, more robust, and definitely has better build quality than any of the other Traktor controllers that I've used in the past. They have the biggest jog wheels that I've seen out of any of those in the past. They feel really, really smooth. There's no wobble whatsoever to them. They're very, very solid. Of course, these are the haptic feedback and direct drive motors. So we're going to put these to the test. They have nice big spacing here over all of your EQs and all of your knobs, so that makes for a really good performing experience, so that way you're not tripping over your own hands doing things. It looks like the RGB backlit pads, they still have that same click to them, kind of similar to what's found on the machine hardware, but they do look a little bit smaller than what I'm used to seeing from the Traktor lineup. They have the play, pause button and cue buttons. And it looks very familiar to something that you might see in a Pioneer Pro DJ booth. So everything looks very uniform. Oh, it's a nice, smooth feeling pitch slider. Really, really nice feel to it. So really high quality stuff that we have here. All of your inputs and outputs on the back. Everything just looks really refined, if I have to find the right word for it. Really refined and engineered very well, as all of the Germans do with their cars. They're also doing that with DJ equipment. So the Traktor Kontrol S4 really looks the part. It really feels nice and solid, and it really feels like you're getting a professional unit once you open the box. So we're going to have the full out review for you guys very, very soon. Make sure you subscribe. If you like videos like this, make sure you put the thumbs up as always. Thanks for watching.